Yeah, I just want to get rid of it. But for me, I don't want to create a fake account on Facebook. I thought I was scolded by my parents. It will never be happen again. Hindi na mauulit yan, like I said. Oops, I just hit the TV. Because I was busy to remove bed sheets. Guys, I am here to make a public apology to Ate Dina Guillermo and Teacher Alexandra Pagkainawan. I apologize to all of you, to both of you. I have lots of big mistake. I thought they are Marcos loyalists and they are not. They are anti-Marcos. Eh, I will never bully them again. And I will not talk about politics. Much as Don Mardaya, who makes politics at Rodelio Daguman. But it will never be happen again. Totally. Because I thought my dad calls me, I'm just like Bato de la Rosa. eh, it will never be happen again. I know this is my fault too. Oh, just don't blame Paulo Cruzada, ha. I'm the one who did this, who make fake account of Dina Guillermo and Teacher Alex. I blame it myself. Unlike Don Murray, create a fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He blame himself. Oh, me, I should blame myself too. Allegedly, it is my fault. But I'm here to remove the bed sheets. Here, I remove the bed sheets. Oh. Because right now I was busy in bedding, so oops, my bad. But I hope it will never be happen again. If I video call with Joyce Patrick Opesha, don't believe Paulo Cruzada. He is a liar. Because for me, I will never create a fake account. Just like what I did to Teacher Vincent Ramos. Oh, I explained to J. Rick Silva, and I know this is my responsible last in pandemic. Oh, I thought my mom asked me who created Chinese Facebook page, Dragon Inclusion Philippines. Oh, it's not David Gill. It was Dan Mardaya. Oh. Danmar is responsible of this. I couldn't blame David Gill. The responsible anyway is Danmar. Oh. I just want to tell something. This was him. I will never do that again. But usual, for me, when I say I should be more responsible in social media, like Bill Galang or J. Rick Silva, my closest friends, oh, yeah, I should listen to them. I should not listen to Danmar. Danmar is responsible to brainwash, to creating lots of enemies. I know Danmar Dayo is a Marcos loyalist. He has lots of enemies. Um, I'm suggest to everyone, to Dan Mardayo, I just want to appeal to him. Um, not create too much fake account.
Kain muna doon, Dre.
Ami? Yeah, sure.
Oh, may nakaiwan ng cellphone ha. Ha? May nakaiwan ng cellphone.
That's mine.
Nasa iyo ba yun?
That's not for the guest. I'll get some water. There's no drinks. That's your spaghetti. Yeah. I have to focus. Sa akin yan. I'm just making my vlog. So for me, I just cleaning my beds before I put bed sheets. But usually I will never do that again. I forgot I put. But usually I will never do that again. I will never do that to Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. I hope if you want to join the DDS supporters, if you wanted to join, don't join with Marcos loyalist. Because like Dan Mardaya who create too much, lots of trolls and creating a fake account of Rodelio Daguman or David Gill, he's the responsible. I should not blame David Gill. Danmar started this. He's the one who create fake account to ruin Cedric. As for me, if you blame everybody, do not blame David Gill. It's Danmar's fault. Shout out anyway if you're watching my vlog. Even to Ate Melcanete, I said to her, it will never be happen again. Me, I don't want too much prank call me, I always behave. Last year, I was behaved too. I never making a prank call. I always make prank call to Carousel Production of Miss Earth. I talked to Carousel Production when is the Miss Earth 2025 competition. They said to me, by November. But for me, I will never do that again. I just want to tell to Danmar Dayaw and Cedric Mariano, stop creating fake account of Rodelio Daguman, Kuya Rodelio. Or you will be happy to me when I make fake account of Ate Dina or Teacher Alex. I will get in trouble. Oh, it will never be happen again. I just told to Ate Dina Guillermo, keep on good work. Oh, I will never fight against you, or I will never criticize you again, or I will never insult you again. Oh, this is my fault. But for me, I have to be learn how to be good. I learn how to be good person. I just wanna suggest to Dan Mardayaw, when J Rick and I were just talking TikTok live, and I say to Danmar, don't do that again. Don't create a fake account. You will get you in trouble.